the ultimate guide to washing charcoal filters.
Welcome to our tutorial on how to properly wash charcoal filters. Charcoal filters, often used in air purifiers or kitchen exhaust hoods, can become clogged with pollutants over time. Cleaning them not only improves their efficiency but also extends their lifespan.
What do you need?
To wash a charcoal filter properly, you will need the following items: warm water, mild dish soap, soft brush, clean, dry cloth, a clean, dry place for drying.
How do you prepare the filter for washing?
Start by removing the filter from the device it's used in. Be sure to consult your device's user manual to understand how to safely remove the filter. Once removed, lightly tap the filter on a hard surface to dislodge loose particles. This will make the cleaning process more efficient.
How do you clean the filter?
Immerse the filter in warm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap to the water. Do not use harsh chemicals as they can damage the charcoal filter. Using a soft brush, gently scrub the filter to remove any buildup.
What's the drying process?
After cleaning, rinse the filter thoroughly under running water to remove all soap. Shake off the excess water and use a clean, dry cloth to pat the filter dry. Do not apply too much pressure as this may damage the filter. Finally, leave the filter to air dry in a clean, dry place. Make sure it's completely dry before reinstalling it to prevent mold or mildew growth. With these easy steps, you can keep your charcoal filters clean and effective for a longer time. We hope this guide was helpful. Until next time, keep your air fresh and your filters cleaner.